In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove page breaks in Google Docs. Let's dive right in and make your document editing smoother and more seamless. First, you'll want to open your document on Google Docs. This is essential because the page breaks you're looking to remove are part of the document's formatting, and you'll need to access the document itself to make these changes. Once you have your document open, scroll through the content to locate the page break you want to remove. It's typically represented by a larger than usual gap between two sections of text, which can interrupt the flow of your document. Now, the goal is to make these page breaks disappear. All you need to do is click on the line above the page break or just before the start of a new section if the break is between two sections of text. After you've positioned your cursor correctly, press Backspace on your keyboard. If you're on a Mac, you might use Delete. You should see the two sections of text that were previously separated by the page break now seamlessly connect. This simple action gets rid of the unwanted break, aligning your content into one fluid section. However, if you happen to have multiple page breaks in the document that need removing, don't worry. You can use this same method repeatedly, navigating through each section where a page break occurs. Check your document from start to finish to ensure you've captured every unnecessary break. For those of you who prefer a slightly different approach, you can also use the Find and Replace tool in Google Docs. By using Find, you enter a manual line break or a paragraph mark depending on how your document is formatted. This means you can systematically find where each page break occurs. In some cases, the page break is inserted through a manual command, so replacing might streamline the process if you have a document full of breaks. Remember, while page breaks can be a hassle when they're not where you want them, they do have a purpose, especially when formatting large documents like reports or essays. They help segment your document into distinct sections, useful for chapter delineation or whenever a new page is needed. Thus, be sure that you only remove breaks that aren't serving your desired formatting. And that's it. You've successfully learned to remove page breaks in Google Docs. This will help you maintain a cleaner, more organized document, making it easier to read and present. Feel free to revisit this video if you need a reminder on any of these steps, and happy editing!